You're watching BabyFirst on YouTube. Subscribe now.
Look at this big box. I wonder what's inside it this time. A bus! My favorite vehicle! All aboard! Doors are closing! Off we go to our next stop. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Beep, 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 beep. Hi there! I'm very busy. Gotta go. Vroom, vroom. Today, I'm a bus driver, and I have so much to do. So many people everywhere are waiting for my bus to take them to where they need to go. I just love my bus. It's big enough to carry so many people. At least 10, or even more. Buses have just a few doors. One at the front near the driver. And another one at the back of the bus, where people can put their luggage. How cool is that? Buses can drive very long distances or just places nearby. Did you hear that? That's my bus's horn. It honks to warn people and other cars to stay out of the way. Honk, honk. I just love it. Hey, how about you wait for my bus at the next stop? I'll come and pick you up, and then we'll go on a trip together.
Subscribe now.